Aw, you sneeze like a kitten.
We still don't know what he's allergic to.
Have a nice day!
I feel like you're trying to tell us something.
Have a nice...
I'll never know what she was gonna say now.
I think I'm coming down with circusitis.
I thought circusitis only affected children.
Children of all ages.
And nobody would be able to hear the performance over your constant coughing. Plus, you'd get everyone sick since you're terrible at covering your sneezes.
Achoo!
That was all over me.
Silly me without my poncho.